Hi, beautiful people. Alright, so let's start this quiche by putting 2 Marie Callender pie crusts in the oven. The oven is set at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bake them for 12 minutes. So here, my mom is helping me cook this. This is actually her recipe. She is placing bacon on a sheet. We're going to go ahead and bake the bacon. So it's going to be 6 pieces of bacon per pie. Now we are cracking our eggs. We are going to do 14 eggs, so keep in mind that this is for 2 pies. So if you're making 1 pie, then you're just going to go ahead and cut everything in half, all the ingredients in half. Okay, so we are going to use a half a pint of heavy whipping cream. I know that doesn't look like a half a pint because it's not. We added some later. Go ahead and mix that up. Now we're seasoning. We're just going to use salt and pepper. That's it. You can use as much seasoning as you like, whatever seasonings you like. Alright, so you're going to give that a good old mix. Okay, our pie crust is done. Look at that color. It's so pretty. So while it's still warm, you want to go ahead and place your cheese on the bottom. We're using Swiss cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. Now we're going to use some of our spinach. So we used about 3 handfuls, fistfuls of spinach. So you just want to tear that spinach apart and then mix it in. When your bacon is halfway done, you want to go ahead and flip it. That's what my mommy's doing there. Okay, now the bacon is done. It took about 30 minutes for it to cook fully. Okay, so go ahead and put your bacon on a sheet or a plate. And you wanna leave some of that grease on the bacon because we all know that grease is flavorful. So that's a lot of flavor, but then again it's greasy, so you don't want all of it. So here you'll notice I just patted down one side and left the other side untouched. Okay, so we're adding another layer of cheese. You can add as many layers as you want. And now we're spooning that goodness into the pie. So fill it only halfway. And go ahead and add your meat. We are using bacon, of course, but you can use ham, you can use turkey, whatever you like. I really wish we would have had some sun-dried tomatoes. OMG. That would have took this dish to a whole nother level. Okay, now she is adding more Swiss cheese in the middle. And then there I am adding some more of the egg and spinach on top. And more bacon. So if you have any extra cheese, go ahead and put that in there. Can never be too cheesy. You want to go ahead and make sure you submerge the cheese in the liquid. Doesn't it look nice? I was in awe. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this foil out to wrap the edges of the crust because we do not want those to burn. So my mom has a little technique here that she likes to do. So I'll let you guys just watch. Okay, and you're going to go ahead and just put that foil around the edges of the crust. And voila, it's done. Now go ahead and put it in the oven. It's still at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to go ahead and bake this for 50 minutes. And there you have it. It was so good. Look at all those layers. And of course, the man of the house had to get his slice first. It's only right, right? I think he likes it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.